his face.
This time we're running for a life and fame, cause the crime's being committed at the
Highest rate.
Our numbers going down, a future at stake, but corrupts are building homes, our money we make. Our nation betrayed, so our people afraid of some men holding sticks sitting on some grave. They want us to be quiet, they're forcing to cage, but we gotta kill the fear and we have to face the rage.
Murders,
Abductions, corruption and rape, though our savior is so busy
recording the tape.
this media control, selling lies and hate. They're trying to put us down, but we have our faith. There's no God but one, so we meant to be brave,
And we will fight.
no, we won't be a slave.